Okay, Aika, you didn't mention about the size of membrane, the latest membrane system. PM.
Bipolar membrane.
What the size?
The same size, but the efficiency, the efficiency of the membrane is much higher than the older membrane. Because not the pore size, because the quality of the membrane itself.
The material.
And the material itself is
What is the size of the membrane?
0.05 micrometer.
So membrane is ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, or what type of the membrane? Hah? Apa yang awak